Tired of weight loss fads that promise the moon but deliver nothing? Today we're diving deep into the world of banana weight loss drops to see if they're a sweet solution or just another slippery peel. Let's start by examining the ingredients typically found in these drops. Common components often include banana extract, green tea extract, various amino acids, and sometimes added vitamins like B12. Keep in mind that the specific ingredient list can vary significantly between brands. Proponents claim these drops boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and promote fat burning. The purported benefits often stem from the combination of ingredients, with some believing the banana extract itself plays a key role. However, scientific evidence supporting these claims is extremely limited. Now, let's talk potential side effects. While often marketed as natural, these drops can still cause issues. Some users report experiencing digestive upset, including nausea, bloating, or diarrhea. Other possible side effects could be related to the specific ingredients, such as anxiety or insomnia from caffeine in green tea extract. Always consult with your doctor before taking any new supplement. Digging through user reviews reveals a mixed bag. Some individuals report positive experiences with appetite suppression and slight weight loss, while others claim the drops had no effect whatsoever or even caused adverse reactions. So, the million-dollar question: do banana weight loss drops actually work? The honest answer is, the evidence is inconclusive. While some ingredients may offer minor weight loss benefits, the lack of robust scientific research specifically on banana weight loss drops makes it difficult to recommend them as a reliable weight loss solution. Remember, sustainable weight loss is best achieved through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. There are no magic bullets. Before trying any supplement, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to discuss your individual needs and potential risks.